Our village set up. This is kind of the city side. And over there's the countryside. It's kind of fun. Hello. What are you doing down there? Hey, what are you doing? Where are you going? Hey, Pickle. Blow kisses. What you got? Boot. Say boot. That's your boot? Boot. Say boot. Good job putting your boots on. Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Blow kisses. Good job. Boot. It's a boot. It's a boot. The boot. So anyway, that's our village. That's Eden, who loves to go underneath the village like it's her personal tent. Oh, you gonna put the boots on, Mama? Thank you very much. Thank you. So helpful. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.